Hi everybody and welcome to Leading Edge Car Detailing. This is going to be a very quick video as we're working on this beautiful and very rare R33 GTR N1 V-Spec. Any JDM car owner, especially if they have a turbo car, will dread the exhaust smog, or I guess the blackening of the rear bumper, which is a complete pain and it doesn't wash off. So this whole car has been washed, and we started actually claying the car, and this is Clay Magic Crate. This is a very aggressive clay, and as you can see, it's not really doing too much to remove this, which is very frustrating for a lot of owners because one, the clay scratches, two, it's not doing a job. And you don't want to be using all prep sols and solvents to clean up your paintwork because that's going to damage your paintwork. So it's a great opportunity to show you guys a product that we use and recommend called IGL Tar and Bug, and how easy it is to resolve issues like this. So if I pop the clay here, I'm not sure if you guys can see the difference between these two, but we'll do a bit of a pan shot. Have a look at this magical stuff. So microfiber, a little bit of product, and wipe it in there. Comes out like new with minimal effort. Now this, although they market this as a tar and bug remover, it is a fantastic stain remover. It's not a polish, so it won't, if you use a microfiber that's brand new and clean and you're gentle with it, it's not going to scratch your paintwork. It's completely safe. And it is actually soy based, so it's not going to melt your paint off or anything like that. So have a look at that. Very easy way to clean your back bumper. No more black from the exhaust. Happy days. So again, the product is called IGL Tar. We highly recommend this stuff. It's magic and it lasts forever. You don't use much of it. So thank you, and please feel free to email us or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.